great pyramids of Egypt will eventually be sand. The Great Wall of China will become a geological feature. Our desire for stone permanence is a denial of the molecular truth. All matter is in motion. When the forests return, they will not see our ruins as monuments, but as nutrient sources. This lack of sentimentality on the part of nature is the ultimate truth. It frees us from the burden of legacy. Our purpose is not to build what lasts forever, but to experience the beautiful decay of everything around us.